Craving your favorite takeout but your wallet's feeling a little light? Let's unlock the secret to using Afterpay for your Doordash deliveries. Since Doordash doesn't directly integrate with Afterpay, we're going to use a clever workaround buying a Doordash gift card with Afterpay. First, open your Afterpay app and use the search bar. Type Doordash into the search. Hopefully, you'll see Doordash gift cards available. If not, check other retailers that offer them like Target or Walmart within the Afterpay app. Select the amount you want on your Doordash gift card. Remember to choose an amount that covers your usual Doordash order, plus a little extra for delivery fees and tips. Afterpay will show you the payment schedule. You'll pay the first installment today, and the rest will be spread out over the next few weeks. Make sure this fits comfortably within your budget. Once you've purchased your gift card from Afterpay, you'll receive the gift card code. Now, open your Doordash app and go to your account settings. Find the gift card or promo code section and enter the code you received from Afterpay. Your gift card balance will now be available in your Doordash account. Now you're ready to order. Browse your favorite restaurants, add your desired items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Your gift card balance will automatically be applied to your order. And that's it. You can now enjoy your Doordash deliveries while spreading the cost over time with Afterpay. Remember to budget responsibly and enjoy your favorite meals without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Afterpay hacks.